Welcome to the session Question of the Day.
Today's question: a train started from Hyderabad by 10 am and reached Delhi by 2 pm. Another train started from Delhi by 11 am and reached Hyderabad by 5 pm. At what time will they meet? In this question, speed of two trains not given. Distance between Hyderabad and Delhi not given. Don't search it in Google. Only the time taken by first train, the time taken by second train is given. So we may think the answer is cannot be determined, but it can be determined, because even though the distance between two trains not given, but the distance between two trains is equal. That means distance from Hyderabad to Delhi, Delhi to Hyderabad, both are equal. So we can solve the question with this. So let us enter into the given data. Here Hyderabad, Delhi. First train from Hyderabad to Delhi started by 10 am, ended by 2 pm. How much time it is taken? 4 hours. Next train started from Delhi by 11 am and reached Hyderabad by 5 pm. So here how much time it is taken? 6 hours. Now we have to decide the distance between Hyderabad and Delhi. Many of the cases, whenever it is same, you can take any number. In percentages, usually we consider that as 100. If it is ratio, we consider that as 1. But whenever you are taking like this, here the times are given. Times are given and you are going to calculate speed by assuming distance. So if it is divisible by these times, then it will be good. And so 6 4 24 you can take. Otherwise the LCM of 6 and 4, 12. So I am considering 12 kilometers is the distance between Delhi and Hyderabad. What a distance it is. So whenever you are taking like that, what is the speed of the first train? Speed of the first train means speed is equal to distance by time. Here first time, the distance here it is 12 kilometers, and what is the time here for first train? That is 4 hours. So 12 by 4, that is 3 kilometer per hour speed of the first train. Speed of the second train is equals to distance by time of the second train. Here the distance 12 kilometers and here 6 hours, that is equals to 2 kilometer per hour. So now we have distance, we have speeds of the two trains. Then we can take relative speed. What is relative speed here? They are in opposite direction, Hyderabad to Delhi, Delhi to Hyderabad. So relative speed will be S1 plus S2. That means 3 plus 2, 5 kilometer per hour. If you observe this, first train started by 10 am, but the second train started by 11 am. So we cannot take the relative speed directly. First train started by 10 am. So in 1 hour, how much distance it can travel? As we are assuming 3 kilometer per hour, then 3 kilometer it can travel in first case. So now it is 11 am. Here it is 11 am and the second train is also started by 11 am. Now we can take the relative speed. What is the remaining distance here? 12 minus 3, that is 9 kilometer is the remaining distance. So with this distance we should calculate the time. Now here the time is equals to distance by speed. What is the distance? Remaining distance 9 kilometer, and what is the speed here? The relative speed 5 kmph. Then 9 by 5, 5 ones 5, remaining 4 by 5 hour. And what is 4 by 5 hour? 4 by 5, 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. 5 ones 5, 12 times. So 4 12s 48 minutes. So 1 hour 48 minutes is time traveled by both trains from 11 am. 11 am plus 1 hour 12 pm and remaining 48 minutes. Then your answer is option C, 12:48 pm.